I have a PlayStation PS4 Slim to repair. Or is it only maintenance? I bought this PlayStation from the internet a while ago as defect. It had a USB error and it didn't start up. I installed new software via the USB stick and it works fine from that moment. Time to open the PS4 and see what is happening inside. And actually there is a hint already. Removing the top cover is very easy. No screws, it's clicked on. Just take it by a corner at the front and take it off. The bottom comes off with one screw at the back hidden behind the warranty seal and a few screws at the top. I never opened the PlayStation before, so it's a challenge. Yeah, the bottom is off and there's the second hint of what's going on. I think this PS4 is overheating and that caused the software problem. There is dust everywhere, but let's dig deeper. No, you can't remove the disc like this. There is a screw at the side. And then it's easy to slide the disc out. I put it at the side so I can't damage it. There are so many screws and also which go from the top to the bottom. But finally the metal plate is off. But I'm not there yet. The cooling plate and the fan are on the other side. I do a fast visual inspection, but I only find more dust here. I removed the thermal pads and put them on the memory chips, so I don't lose them. Finally the board is out. If you never opened the PlayStation before, it's quite a struggle to find all the screws, which have to be removed. But I'm not there yet. And there is dust everywhere, which confirms my belief that the problem is overheating. Look at the clouds of dust. There can't be enough cooling. I put this aside and clean it later with compressed air. I remove all the dust I can find. And with all things cleaned, I put the PS4 back together. And with the self-tappers, turn counterclockwise until you hear or feel a click. Then you are in the old thread and don't tap a new one instead. The metal bottom plate is cleaned and can be put back in place. I also clean the PCB and brush the dust off. But most important is the thermal paste on the processor. It is almost not there, and what is still on the processor is dried out and needs to be replaced. Now I'm here, I check the backup battery. I think it's better to replace it now and not wait until it's completely flat. I replaced the thermal paste and spread it out over the chip. I also checked the power supply, but there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. Now everything is back together, it's time to do some testing. I tested the PlayStation 4 and it's working like new. Thank you for watching.